Way down south in South America, there's a country full of amazing things. This country is Argentina, a land that stretches from the tropical north to the icy south, offering a diverse range of experiences and landscapes. From the bustling streets of Buenos Aires to the serene beauty of Patagonia, Argentina is a place where contrasts come to life in the most vibrant ways. Huge mountains meet wide-open plains. The Andes Mountains, with their snow-capped peaks, that form a majestic backdrop to the vast, flat Pampas. These plains are the heartland of Argentina, where the country's famous beef cattle graze. The contrast between the towering mountains and the expansive plains is a sight to behold, showcasing the natural beauty and diversity of the landscape. Busy cities have their own special beat, and old ways of life still exist next to modern wonders. In Buenos Aires, the capital city, the rhythm of tango music fills the air, and the streets are alive with activity. Yet, just a short distance away, you can find traditional villages where life moves at a slower pace, and age-old customs are still practiced. This blend of old and new creates a unique cultural tapestry that is distinctly Argentine. This is Argentina, a country that's exciting and beautiful. From the iconic obelisk in Buenos Aires to the stunning landscapes of Tierra del Fuego, every corner of Argentina has something special to offer. Whether you're exploring the vibrant neighborhoods of the city or the remote wilderness of the south, you'll find beauty and excitement at every turn. Come along with us on a trip through this amazing place. We'll journey from the northern regions, where the climate is warm and the landscapes are lush, to the southernmost tip, where the air is crisp and the scenery is breathtaking. Along the way, we'll discover the many faces of Argentina, each one more fascinating than the last. We'll climb the steep Andes Mountains, covered in green forests and reflected in clear, icy lakes. These mountains are not only a natural wonder, but also a playground for adventurers. Hiking, climbing, and exploring the Andes offers a chance to connect with nature in a profound way, surrounded by some of the most stunning scenery on the planet. We'll see the powerful Iguazu Falls, a huge waterfall that everyone remembers. Located on the border between Argentina and Brazil, Iguazu Falls is one of the most spectacular natural wonders in the world. The sheer force and volume of water cascading over the falls is awe-inspiring, and the surrounding rainforest is teeming with wildlife, making it a must-visit destination for nature lovers. We'll also visit busy cities, full of energy and the sounds of tango music. Buenos Aires, often called the Paris of South America, is a city that never sleeps. Its vibrant nightlife, world-class restaurants, and cultural attractions make it a hub of activity and excitement. The passion of the tango, performed in clubs and on street corners, adds to the city's unique charm and allure. We'll learn about Argentina's gaucho cowboys, see the beautiful Pampas grasslands, and watch these amazing riders on their horses. The gauchos are an integral part of Argentine culture, embodying the spirit of the open plains and the rugged lifestyle of the countryside. Their skills in horsemanship and cattle herding are legendary, and their traditions are still very much alive today. And of course, we'll try Argentina's famous food. Argentine cuisine is renowned for its delicious flavors and high-quality ingredients, from the world-famous beef, cooked to perfection on a traditional grill, to the fresh produce and delectable pastries. The food in Argentina is a feast for the senses. From tasty grilled steaks to yummy empanadas, we'll try all the delicious things this country has to offer. Empanadas, with their savory fillings and flaky crusts, are a beloved snack, while the asado, or barbecue, is a social event that brings people together to enjoy good food and company. Every meal in Argentina is an opportunity to experience the country's rich culinary heritage. So let's start exploring Argentina, a land full of different and exciting things. From its natural wonders to its vibrant cities, from its rich cultural traditions to its modern innovations, Argentina is a country that captivates and inspires. Join us as we embark on this incredible journey through a land of contrasts, where every moment is an adventure, waiting to be discovered. Our trip starts in Buenos Aires, Argentina's exciting capital city. Known for its vibrant culture, rich history, and stunning architecture, Buenos Aires is often referred to as the Paris of South America. This nickname is well-deserved, as the city boasts a unique blend of European elegance and Latin American passion. From its grand boulevards to its charming neighborhoods, Buenos Aires offers a captivating experience for every visitor. It's a place where fancy European style mixes with South American energy. The city's architecture is a testament to its diverse influences, with buildings that reflect French, Italian, and Spanish styles. As you stroll through the streets, you'll notice the intricate details and ornate facades that make Buenos Aires so visually appealing. The city's vibrant street life adds to its charm, with bustling markets, lively cafes, and street performers creating a dynamic atmosphere. Here, big streets with beautiful buildings, like in Paris, lead to colorful neighborhoods, each with its own unique character. The wide avenues, such as Avenida 9 de Julio, are lined with impressive landmarks and monuments, including the iconic obelisk. As you explore the different barrios or neighborhoods, you'll discover a variety of experiences, from the bohemian vibe of San Telmo to the upscale elegance of Recoleta. Each neighborhood has its own special feel, offering a glimpse into the city's diverse culture and history. In La Boca, you'll find colorful houses and street art that reflect the area's artistic spirit. Palermo, on the other hand, is known for its trendy boutiques, hip bars, and vibrant nightlife. No matter where you go, Buenos Aires is full of surprises and delights.
The city is always buzzing with activity, car horns, tango music, and people talking. The energy is palpable, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement. Street musicians fill the air with melodies, and the aroma of delicious food wafts from every corner. Whether you're wandering through a bustling market or enjoying a leisurely stroll along the river, Buenos Aires is a city that never sleeps. We'll walk the old streets of San Telmo, where antique shops and tango halls make you feel like you've traveled back in time. This historic neighborhood is one of the oldest in the city, and its cobblestone streets and colonial buildings tell the story of Buenos Aires' past. As you browse the antique shops, you'll find treasures from a bygone era, and the tango halls offer a glimpse into the city's rich cultural heritage. The tango halls in particular are a must-visit. These venues are steeped in history and tradition, and they offer an authentic experience of Argentina's most famous dance. As you watch the dancers move with grace and passion, you'll be transported to a different time and place. The music, the movement, and the atmosphere all come together to create a truly unforgettable experience.
In the cool Palermo neighborhood, we'll find small, interesting shops, art places, and outdoor cafes, perfect for enjoying the city. Palermo is a hub of creativity and innovation, with a thriving art scene and a laid-back vibe. The neighborhood is divided into several distinct areas, each with its own personality. Palermo Soho is known for its fashion boutiques and trendy cafes, while Palermo Hollywood is home to some of the city's best restaurants and bars. And you can't visit Buenos Aires without seeing a tango show, where the dancers are full of passion and energy. The tango is more than just a dance, it's a way of life in Buenos Aires. The city's tango shows are world-renowned, and they offer a mesmerizing display of skill and emotion. As you watch the dancers glide across the floor, you'll be captivated by their intensity and grace. The performances are a celebration of Argentine culture, and they provide a deep connection to the city's soul. The music, the costumes, and the choreography all come together to tell a story of love, loss, and longing. It's an experience that will stay with you long after the final note has been played.
As the sun sets over the Rio de la Plata River, making the city glow, we'll have a glass of Malbec, Argentina's special wine. The sunset in Buenos Aires is a magical time, as the city is bathed in a warm golden light. The Rio de la Plata, one of the widest rivers in the world, provides a stunning backdrop for this daily spectacle. As you sip on a glass of Malbec, you'll feel a sense of tranquility and contentment. Malbec is a wine that is deeply connected to Argentina's identity. Known for its rich, robust flavor, it pairs perfectly with the local cuisine. Whether you're enjoying a traditional asado or barbecue, or simply relaxing with friends, a glass of Malbec is the perfect way to end the day. To celebrate Buenos Aires, a city that has everything. From its stunning architecture and vibrant culture, to its rich history and passionate people, Buenos Aires is a city that captures the heart and soul of everyone who visits. It's a place where every corner has a story to tell, and every moment is filled with beauty and excitement. So come and experience the magic of Buenos Aires for yourself. You won't be disappointed.
Leaving the city, we head south to Patagonia, a land of huge skies, windy plains, and tall mountains. Here, the Andes Mountains rise up sharply, their snowy tops touching the clouds, showing the power of nature.
Patagonia is a land of extremes. It's home to the southern Patagonian ice field, one of the biggest ice fields in the world. Huge pieces of ice break off from the glaciers and fall into the lakes with a loud boom.
This is a place where guanacos, animals like llamas, walk freely, and condors, big birds, fly high above looking for food.
Patagonia makes you feel small compared to nature, but also connected to life itself.
Now we go to the middle of South America, a land of diverse landscapes and rich cultures. Here, nature's raw power and beauty come together in a breathtaking display. To a place where the earth shakes with the power of nature, where the ground beneath your feet feels alive, constantly reminding you of the dynamic forces at play. Here, between Brazil and Argentina, are the Iguazu Falls, one of the most magnificent natural wonders of the world. A huge and amazing waterfall that captivates the hearts of all who witness its grandeur. The sheer scale and power of the falls are awe-inspiring.
Imagine a giant wall of water over 2 miles wide, stretching as far as the eye can see. The water cascades down with such force that it creates a thunderous roar. Falling down with a roar you can hear far away. This is Iguazu, a place where the sound of the water is a constant, powerful presence. Made up of almost 300 waterfalls, each with its own unique character and flow, creating a symphony of water that is both mesmerizing and humbling. All falling over cliffs covered in green rainforest where the lush vegetation thrives in the moist environment created by the falls.
The air is full of mist from the falls, a fine spray that cools the air and nourishes the surrounding flora, which keeps the jungle around it green and colorful, a vibrant tapestry of life that is constantly changing and evolving. This jungle is full of life, teeming with a rich diversity of plants and animals that make this ecosystem one of the most biodiverse on the planet. With the sounds of birds and other animals creating a symphony of their own, a constant reminder of the vibrant life that thrives here.
Colorful butterflies fly around, their delicate wings adding splashes of color to the green backdrop of the jungle. And monkeys play in the trees, their playful antics bringing a sense of joy and wonder to this magical place.
From Iguazu, we go west to the Andes Mountains to a place that smells like grapes. This is Mendoza, Argentina's wine country, famous for its Malbec wines.
Imagine walking through rows of grapevines, their leaves green in the sun. Here, near the Andes Mountains, people have been making wine for a long time.
Mendoza has the perfect weather for growing grapes, high up, sunny and cool breezes. That's why Malbec, a rich, dark wine, is so good here.
As the sun sets over the vineyards, you might have a glass of Malbec enjoying its taste.
Now we go to the bottom of the world, to Ushuaia, the southernmost city. It's at the edge of the Tierra del Fuego Islands, where the Andes Mountains meet the ocean.
Imagine a place made by glaciers with snowy mountains and clear lakes. The air smells like the ocean, and you can hear seabirds.
Ushuaia is a place of differences, where towns are near glaciers, forests, and the ocean. It's a place for adventurers.
Walking through Ushuaia, you feel amazed at how far away it is. It's a feeling you remember.
From the Andes Mountains to Patagonia, Argentina has amazing nature and people. But there's more. In the cities and countryside, there's the tango.
The tango from Buenos Aires is more than a dance. It's like a silent conversation. Two people share passion and a story through their movements.
The music played on the bandoneon, violin, and piano is emotional. The dancers move together closely, reflecting the music.
To see the tango is to see the heart of Argentina. It connects people through its emotion and rhythm. Let's explore the tango and its stories.
Across Argentina's Pampas grasslands, a traditional way of life continues. Here, the gauchos, Argentina's cowboys, are an important part of the country.
For a long time, these horsemen have lived on the grasslands taking care of cattle. They wear big hats, leather boots, and colorful ponchos, and they represent freedom.
They spend their days on horses herding cattle. Their life is hard work, but also full of tradition and friendship.
As the sun sets, the gauchos sit around fires sharing stories and songs. Let's learn about their traditions and lifestyle.
Argentina is full of amazing sights and tastes, but you must try the famous Argentine steak.
Here, beef is important, a tradition passed down through families. The Pampas grasslands are perfect for raising cattle, producing flavorful, tender beef.
The secret is the cooking method. Steaks are cooked over an open fire, making a crispy outside and juicy inside.
Whether at a traditional parrilla or a city restaurant, an Argentine steak is a delicious experience. Let's enjoy the tastes of Argentina. Everywhere in Argentina you can find empanadas. These small pastries filled with savory ingredients show the country's culture and cooking skills.
Each region has its own kind of empanada. In the north, they might have spicy meat and potatoes, while the south has seafood or lamb. In the middle of Argentina, the classic beef empanada is popular.
Making empanadas is a special tradition. From making the dough to folding them, each step is done with care. The result is a delicious and beautiful food.
Whether a quick snack or part of a meal, the empanada is an important part of Argentine food. Try these savory treats as you travel.
You can't visit Argentina without trying Malbec wine. This dark red wine, with its fruity and vanilla flavors, is very popular in Argentina.
Malbec from France found its perfect home in the Andes Mountains. The weather here is ideal for growing Malbec grapes.
From big wineries in Mendoza to smaller ones, making Malbec is important to Argentina. Winemakers have worked hard to make some of the best Malbecs in the world.
Whether with a steak or at a vineyard, enjoy Argentine Malbec. As our trip ends, we're thankful for this amazing country. From Buenos Aires to Patagonia, Argentina is unforgettable. We've seen Iguazu Falls, heard tango music, and enjoyed the food and wine. Argentina is exciting and beautiful. Thanks for joining us. We hope you enjoyed learning about Argentina. Like, comment, and subscribe for more travel videos.